All right, it's Tuesday, November 28th. Just following up on the SPY, you can see here it's continuing higher. Bought some call options here, breaking out of the first bar high at the bottom of this range that we identified coming into the trading day. We were either going to break out and head lower or possibly test the lows and then fail and come back through the range. So obviously at this point, we moved up from that first bar high, paused a little bit. Now we're making a secondary push up on the day. So the options are up nicely. Bought those 452 calls at 404. They're up to like 487 right now on the ask. Last traded, I'm sure they'll trade at 480 here in a minute. Last trade at 460, but they're asking 485. So anyway, now we get to see, you got to be a little bit somewhat careful. We have the outside day to the upside. Again, this was anticipated. When you fail the lower end of the range, get to the midpoint of that range, you kind of work to the high of the range. Now we get to see if we break out of there. If we get that weekly chart, which we were kind of always saying, if we held that purple line, we can head up and move towards the highs of last week. And in the big picture on the monthly chart, we have targets back up here. So, the bias has always been to the upside. When you see the failure to move lower at the start of the day, then a good opportunity to buy calls. One push up, we're pausing, second push up, moving up nicely. Like I said, these are up to 493 right now, bought those at 404. So good trade on the, on the SPY today to the upside, and now we'll see, we just got to watch here with this broadening action, higher highs and lower lows. If at some point the choppiness continues and we head lower, anything's possible, but you can do it at no risk right now. See if we can finally get that uptrend resuming. Again, if you look at it this way, we kind of have been up, we've been going sideways for a long time, so there is room for a whole nother leg up if it wants to do it. So we'll find out right now. Good opportunity again to buy calls right down in this area, breaking out of that first bar high.